Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best 3D printer for beginners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Voxelab 3D printer. The Aquila 3D printer equipped with carbon crystal silicon glass plate and super quiet printing designing. The printing model will not easily become warped and the printing sounds is below 50 decibels. This Aquila 3D printer could automatically resume printing when power comes on. It won't print from scratch once meeting filament breakage. That's saving time and avoiding waste. The easy-to-set-up kit comes partially assembled. That enabling you to learn about the basic construction of 3D printers as you finish putting it together. Aquila is a straightforward BD printer based on open-source technology. It allows for flexible upgrades and various modifications. At number 6 we have Trace Pro 3D printer. The Ender 3 Max has a newly developed hot end design and simplifies the exchange of individual components. In addition, the hot end has dual fans that allow better heat dissipation. An integrated copper nozzle enables better heat resistance and faster melting of the materials. The Creality Ender 3 Max is equipped with a filament sensor and a resume print function. If the filament accidentally runs out or an unexpected power failure occurs, you can easily and conveniently resume printing. This saves you valuable material and time. This glass plate is a popular upgrade for a 3D printer because of its very good adhesion and fast heating up speed. At number 5 we have Monoprice 3D printer. The removable flexible build plate makes removing a model a breeze. You can simply remove and flex it to dislodge the model. You can easily replace it if it becomes damaged, or can swap in a second build plate to start a new print immediately after completion of a project. Additionally, it can be heated to temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius. The printer ships fully calibrated and ready to print out of the box. If necessary, you can easily adjust the distance between the nozzle and the bed via the touchscreen interface. At number 4 we have Snapmaker 3D printer. This Snapmaker 2.0, the modular 3-in-1 3D printer that unlocks your full creative potential. From 3D printing to laser engraving, cutting and CNC carving, you can imagine a 3D printer that you can upgrade and customize. This Snapmaker is more than just a series of machines. It's a system of powerful modules and add-ons for creative people like you. You can enjoy a lot of new features simply by getting the new modules or new kits. It is built with high-precision parts and an overall upgraded design. The repeatability of the machine is 0.005 mm and the homing repeatability is 0.01 mm. You can even develop new features for your customized modules. At number 3 we have FlashForge 3D printer. The FlashForge Finder series has cemented itself as a favorite 3D printer for children and teens. The brightly colored open-sided case of tough but well-made chunky plastic is a welcome change from its more industrial and gives it a satisfyingly sturdy feel. This 3.5-inch touchscreen is extremely clear and easy to use. When you first turn on the printer it gives you 3 options to select from. And from there you're given more selections. It makes finding what you're looking for simple and it's very intuitive. The touchscreen is clear and responsive and an ideal interface for younger users to quickly get to grips with. This means you can keep it in a common space in your home without it driving you crazy. The original Finder was a surprisingly quiet machine. At number 2 we have Voxelab 3D printer. The Aquila is an open-source 3D printer developed by the FDM technology which offers a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm. It comes with strong adhesion and uniform heating. It can be heated to 70 degrees within 2 to 3 minutes and keep uniformly optimal temperature levels above the heated bed in order to help prevent prints warping. That's ensure the model can be firmly adhered to the bed platform, but allows you to remove the model quickly and easily after cooling. This Aquila 3D printer has the ability to recover from a power failure. It will automatically create a save point when interrupted in the middle of a print, that allowing you to resume the print progress as soon as the power returns. At number 1 we have FlashForge 3D printer. The removable flexible platform is easy to bend, which making it easier to take down the model. It's suitable for various 3D printer filament. This FlashForge Adventurer 3 Lite is the no built-in camera version of Adventurer 3. It is fully assembled, lightweight and minimalist desktop 3D printer. It comes with auto filament feeding function, you only have to put in the filament. You could save, share and download 3D printable designs. Now it's your turn, let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best 3D printer for beginners for your need.